Steel teeth bite into stone, and the whole mine seems to hold its breath for a second. Then the rock gives way. You're watching pure hydraulic force turned into clean, controlled production, one massive pass at a time. Today's video is all about two legendary machines doing what they do best. The Komatsu PC1250 shattering and handling heavy rock in a mine environment, and the Cat 245B loading 4-axle dump trucks with smooth, efficient cycles that keep material moving non-stop. In the next few minutes, you'll see how a big excavator turns a chaotic rock face into manageable material, how operator technique makes each bucket count, and how the loading pattern on those 4-axle trucks determines whether the whole operation runs fast or wastes time. Watch closely, because a lot of the magic is in details most people miss. Bucket positioning, swing timing, track placement, and the way the operators read the rock before they ever commit to a full bite. First up is the Komatsu PC1250, a true heavyweight in the mining class. Machines like this are built for one job: move serious material with authority and consistency. The PC1250 typically sits in the 100+ ton range, depending on configuration, and it's powered by a high-output diesel system designed to deliver strong, steady hydraulic flow under load. That matters because rock work isn't about quick movements, it's about sustained force. Look at this angle as the bucket teeth set into the pile. The operator isn't ramming randomly. They curl into the material, let the hydraulics load up, and then peel the rock free using the bucket cylinder like a lever. That curl power is where big excavators earn their reputation. When the PC1250 meets oversized boulders or tightly packed shot rock, you'll notice the technique change. Instead of trying to muscle one giant chunk, the operator works the edges, breaks the interlock, and creates a clean pocket. Watch closely as the bucket lifts and curls at the same time. This keeps the load tight, reduces spill, and protects the machine from shock loads. In mining, shock loads are the enemy. A skilled operator avoids harsh impact because the goal is speed with control, not speed with damage. Look at how the boom stays steady and the stick does most of the searching. That's efficient digging. Fewer corrections, fewer wasted seconds. A real performance highlight in this kind of work is cycle discipline. Even a few seconds saved on each cycle adds up fast over an hour. On production sites, shaving just 5 to 10 seconds per truck can mean extra loads by the end of a shift, especially when trucks are staged and ready. Notice how the PC1250 keeps the swing arc smooth, not over-rotating, not stopping short. Smooth swing equals faster cycles and less wear. And check the track position. The machine sits square to the working face, so the operator can dig, swing, and dump without constantly repositioning. Repositioning looks small on camera, but in the real world, it's lost production. Now shift your eyes to the CAT 245B, an older classic that still earns respect because of its balanced feel and strong, reliable digging and loading characteristics. This is where the operation turns from breaking and handling rock to pure hauling efficiency. Loading 4-axle dump trucks isn't just fill it up. It's about truck balance, even distribution, and fast, repeatable passes that don't waste motion. Look at this moment. The operator places material into the front of the bed first, then walks it back. That loading style helps prevent overload on the rear, keeps the truck stable, and makes the haul safer, especially on uneven mine roads. Watch closely at the bucket entry and exit. The best operators avoid dragging the bucket across the ground like a rake. They scoop clean, lift with purpose, and keep the bucket close through the swing to maintain stability. A tight swing path reduces stress and keeps the cycle quick. And if you're wondering why the truck loading looks so smooth, it's because the operator is coordinating boom lift, stick pull, and swing. 3 movements blended into one continuous flow. That's the secret. No wasted pauses, no extra corrections, no unnecessary double swings. Here's a fact that's easy to forget. On many earth-moving sites, trucks only make money when they're rolling. Every second they sit under the excavator is cost. That's why experienced crews aim for consistent, predictable load times, so the truck queue stays healthy and the excavator never waits. Look at this angle when the CAT drops material. The bucket opens at the right height to avoid smashing the bed, reduce dust bursts, and keep rock from rebounding out. Small technique, big results. As the process continues, you're basically watching a simple but powerful system. Excavators shape the pile, trucks carry it, and the mine keeps flowing. The PC1250 handles the tough stuff, breaking interlocked rock and controlling heavy loads, while the CAT 245B keeps the haulage moving with rapid, balanced loading. Together, that's production. Controlled digging at the face, clean stockpiles, and steady truck dispatch. If you're enjoying these real-world machine skills, tap like. It helps the video reach more heavy equipment fans. And tell me in the comments, which part impressed you more? The PC1250 working the rock, or the Cat 245B loading those 4-axle trucks with clean cycles? If you want more mining and quarry action with detailed operator breakdowns, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next upload. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because in the next video, we're going even bigger with another heavy equipment lineup, more rock, faster loading, and the kind of machine power you can feel through the screen.